Welcome back everyone to our channel. In our last video, we took you through the journey of Pune to Hampi, covering 500 km in 10 hours. In today's video, we will take you through the virtual tour of Hampi. Come on, let's enjoy the video together.
आज है डे 2 ऑफ आवर हम्पी टूर। सो आज हम निकले हैं बाई कार पूरा हम्पी घूमने। अभी हम फर्स्ट पहुँचे हैं विजय विठला टेम्पल। आप हमारे बैक साइड में देख सकते हैं, बहुत सुंदर जगह है। यहाँ पे एंट्री फ़ीस है जो कि है अराउंड 50 रुपीज़ पर हेड। सो आप यहाँ पे बैटरी कार से आ सकते हैं और फिर टिकट आपको लेना है, फिर यहाँ पे आपको एंट्री मिलती है। सो गाइज़, लेट्स गो।
The Vithala temple is presumed to be in the grandest of all temples and monuments in Hampi. The Vithala temple is also known as Sri Vijaya Vithala temple. Legend has it that the temple was built as an abode for Lord Vishnu in Vithala form. However, the Lord had found the temple to be too grand for his use and had returned to live in his own humble home. The stone chariot and the musical pillars of Rangamandap are the attractions of Vijaya Vithala temple. बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है। इतना सुंदर क्या आर्किटेक्चर ही है, इतना अच्छा लग रहा है देखने में। अभी हम लोग फर्स्ट कहाँ पे आए हैं हम लोग?
विजय विठला टेम्पल
में आए हैं। तो आप देख रहे हैं आज 2 जनवरी है और फिर भी बहुत ज़्यादा क्राउड है। गांव से लोग आए हैं घूमने के लिए। दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द मोस्ट ओल्डेस्ट सिटी एंड द मोस्ट हेरिटेज सिटी। यू मस्ट विजिट डेफिनेटली।
The Queen's Bath is believed to be constructed for the women of the royal family of Vijayanagara. Though the name has the Queen's Bath, it was in all probability used as the private bathing chamber of the king and his queens. It is also believed that the lavish bath was a royal pleasure complex. This belief is due to the location of the bath, which is outside the royal enclosure.
Mahanavami platform or the Dashara Dippa. The king watched the army march past, bow and arrow competitions, war games such as sword fighting competition, wrestling, aquatic sports, musical performance of the royal animals and the hugely significant Navratri celebration from this platform. Hazararama Temple in Hampi is an important shrine in Hampi. This small but beautiful temple is located at the center of the royal area. The temple is dedicated to Lord Rama. It was once the private temple of the kings and the royal family of Vijayanagara. Hazararama Temple was built in the early part of 15th century by then king of Vijayanagara, Devaraya II. It was originally built as a simple structure. It consisted of only a sanctum, a pillared hall and an Ardha Mantapa. Later, the temple structure was renovated to add an open porch and beautiful pillars.
The Zanana enclosure was a fortified and secluded area reserved for the royal ladies of the Vijayanagara Empire. The Zanana enclosure is located in the area approaching the royal enclosure and near the Ranga temple. The Zanana enclosure consists of the Lotus Mahal, the basement of the Queen's Palace, the water pavilion, and the treasury building. The main attraction of the Zanana enclosure is the Lotus Mahal. It is located in the southern eastern corner of the enclosure. It is one of the most famous structures in Hampi and one of the very few structures that have been left undamaged by the Mughal. The archway of the structure resembles the petals of the lotus and provides the whole structure the shape of a half-open lotus bud. गाइज हम हम्पी घूम रहे हैं। अभी फ़िलहाल हम जिस साइट पे हैं वहाँ पे 2-3 स्पॉट्स ऑलरेडी एक साथ ही हैं। यहाँ पे क्वींस का पैलेस है, उसके बाद रंगा टेम्पल है और यहाँ पे एक एलिफेंट स्टेबल है जहाँ पे हाथियों को रखा जाता था। तो ये एरिया जो है घूमने के लिए बहुत कुछ है, देखने के लिए बहुत कुछ है। एक वीडियो में कैसे हम पूरा कर पाए, हम दोनों ही ये सोच रहे थे। तो अभी जिस लोकेशन पे हम जा रहे हैं ये भी मतलब यहाँ पे पूरा हम्पी ही एक्चुअली इस अंडर एक्सकवेशन है। तो जब यहाँ पे जो स्पॉट निकले शायद तब आपको नया आके यहाँ पे देखना पड़े। When you are in Hampi, you cannot miss the Korakal ride. Come on, let's enjoy. The last on our today's trip is the Virupaksha temple. The 7th century old temple dedicated to Lord Shiva is one of the most famous places in Hampi to visit. Thank you guys for watching our video. We have tried our best to bring out the best that Hampi has to offer. Hope you liked the video. And now the 3 magical words: like, subscribe and click on the bell icon.